Sankranti. Now this is one of the most important harvest festivals that is celebrated in India, and down south it's a 4-day festival starting with Bogi, Pongal, Mattu Pongal and Kanu Pongal. And today we're going to do a wonderful recipe. This is a healthier option of the Pongal that we usually do. This is Millet Pongal or Thinai Pongal. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Millet Pongal, I've taken half cup of Foxtail Millet, that is Thinai, and half cup of yellow Moong Dal. Wash it gently and pour enough water and soak for about 1 hour. Take a pressure cooker, transfer the soaked millet and dal to the pressure cooker along with the soaked water. So you can see the millet and the dal has already been soaking in about 1 cup of water. Now that's a 250 ml cup. I'm adding another 250 ml cup of water. To this add a pinch of turmeric powder, add 1 teaspoon of salt, give it a quick mix. So you can see the dal and the millet is completely immersed in the water. Cook the pongal for 3 whistles on medium-low flame. For the coconut chutney, take half cup of freshly grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal, add 1 green chilli, add a little salt, pour a little water. The coconut chutney is done, keep it aside. So the pongal is cooked beautifully, you can see it's nice and soft. Next I'm going to temper a few ingredients for the pongal. So for tempering I've taken 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. To the ghee add half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 green chilli chopped, a piece of ginger chopped finely, quarter teaspoon Asafoetida powder, add a few cashew-nuts, add 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns, add a few curry leaves. Add the tempered ingredients to the pongal. A small tip, in case the pongal becomes too thick, you can always add a little hot water or hot milk to get the right consistency. So there you go, here is this absolutely delicious millet pongal that you can enjoy with some nice chutney and sambar by the side. The key is to soak it at least for a minimum of 1 hour, so do try this pongal and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frame.